This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Tully Crespi. Desirable 4-bedroom home located in Sawgrass Lakes. 2-story home with primary bedroom downstairs. Open floor plan features kitchen with large island with bar seating and quartz counters as well as SS appliances. Overlooks back trussed porch and view of the lake. Tile throughout living area and carpet in bedrooms and staircase. Half bath downstairs as well as laundry room. Upstairs features 3 bedrooms and spacious loft area that is ideal for play or work. This home has one of the largest lots in the neighborhood. 0.25 acres on corner lot. Aluminum 4FT fencing overlooks Lakeview. Fire pit and backyard for entertaining. The neighborhood has resort-style clubhouse, pool, exercise room and tennis courts. Great location. For more information, review the details below.